First go to this link and then copy it and then using Postman. So I finally done with my API project. So here is the link. So here is the user Chetan. Sorry, Dr. Chetan. So here is the register for doctor. Here you can see doctor has been registered. Next, create a session of doctor. And directly, already I mentioned here the credentials for saving our time. Then go to patient register. Actually, it's authenticate with JWT authentication. Twist here and send patient registered. So here you can see here is generated. Then next is patient create report. So now I need to copy this ID and go to here and change the here is the ID. Okay, then create a report. Here is the my body and I need to change authentication token. Okay, create session. So I copy from here. Then send it. It generate for me a report. Final report has been generated. Your report had successfully registered. Then I go to the status. Actually, this shows here is also authorization. Okay. After this, this is the status H. Suppose I entered H. What should we create? A negative. Here I use negative. Then send a data negative. So here you can see here give me all information about negative. Here is doctor name and the patient name and status. Okay, that's it. Now we are moving into my code base. So here is my code base. Actually, I connected into my database, online database MongoDB. Here is the JWT passport. Here is that I make a three controller for doctor, patient, and report. Here is the doctor controller for creating sessions for using a JWT authentication, JWT web token, and then register feature, login feature, and create session feature. Here is a patient. Nothing is here is just like creating a patient and push save in database. And here is the report. Here is the models. So here is that model, three models. Then here patient model. In patient model, we use name, phone number, gender, age reports. Here we can use here we can refer to report for because it's a multi application. That's why we use that this type of syntax for connecting other database. Here is the same again. Here is the enum feature. Then here is a doctor root. Then here is the index.js root. And then here we can authenticate with passport authenticate, JWT authentication. And here is the finally report. So that's it. That's all about my project.